Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, it's been almost a full tank of gas since I've installed that billets catch can on my truck. So I'm going to go ahead and see what's inside it. So on this one, there's two methods to basically getting the fluid that it's captured out. You can either release the valve on the bottom and just let it drain, or put a cup underneath it. Of course, you wouldn't want to drain it onto the ground because that would obviously not be very environmental, but you can spin it off. But so because I want to see what's actually in it, I'm gonna go ahead and spin that off. So let's basically just stick our hand in here and we should be able to turn this loose, and it comes off pretty easy. And this way I can actually see what's inside and how much. I'm kind of curious to see what kind of junk this thing has caught. So like I said, it's only been about one tank of gas, so I don't know if there's gonna be much, if at all, in here, but let's see. It seems like there's a million threads on it. I've been spinning it for a while now. There we go. Okay. Oh, there's some junk in there for sure. So I don't know if you guys can see that. There's probably maybe a good tablespoon and a half of oil in there. So I'm sure you guys can agree that's not stuff that you'd want in your engine. So that's that junk there. Let's go ahead and obviously dispose of this properly and then reinstall it. Okay, so she's pretty much empty except for a drip, but it's going to keep catching more, so it doesn't have to be perfectly clean. So let's go ahead and spin this back on. Okay, so it was that easy. Just, you don't always have to, like I said, spin the catch can off and put it back on to empty it, but it's nice to kind of see what it caught in the volume. But you could definitely easily fit some sort of, solo cup in here and drain it into that, and not drain it directly onto the ground. Okay, so that's the first inspection of that catch can. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to be checking out a lot more other intervals and seeing how much it catches over a different period of time. So check back for those videos, and we'll see you on the next one.